What up, Fetu? It's your boy, the friendly neighborhood ghost. This podcast is mini, this podcast is about this podcast is super flexi. Get a 10 plan song, bringing you the mashup. Let's mash things up. I got about Fetu. Don't forget to check us out on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I get a little bit of sponsor on man. How do you like it? I get it. What's it? I get away, man. Yes, guys. But as usual, I give you one give
Gqesh man.
Baba gaskethu madume wamo super size 9 asibona.
Ay, untula size 9. Ngadi chance wena. Ngadi chance wena. Tawutwa. Yes, guys, welcome to the measure. Yeah, man. So, guys, I'm going to give you guys 2 questions. The first one, you guys are going to have to get it correctly, whether you like it or not. And the second one, you have the right to your own opinion. Right? So, the first one is going to be a riddle.
Okay.
It's been a while, crocodile. Yes, so this is how it goes. You use me to eat, but you don't eat me. What am I?
Well, no. Spoon.
The correct answer is utensils. He got it correctly. That is the correct answer. I'm in a hot streak, man. I'm feeling this. Yes, guys. Second question. If you were to change 3 things about your country, what would it be?
Yeah. President okokuqala.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
It's too big.
Ash. Vice President, it is true.
Okay.
Baby.
Oh my God. Boy, straight to the point. You don't beat around the bush. You know, you all heard the 3 things that would change about our country if they had the chance. You know what I'm saying? Yes, guys. Tatela Kube famous. Tatela Kube famous. Guys, the mic is your oyster. Chin chang li chin chin tree. Listen, do what you do. But they go on in our mouth. Yeah.
Ush, iwash nonke nina lapha. Ush,
Gqesh man.
Gqesh man, ntwana yami bathi.
Ibathi.
Size 9, sekufika size 9 uhamba notachi. Ibathi.
Esendlini namayakayaka itikataka sabadlala sizinyakanyaka aye yebasuso kufika inkalakatha iyarabasi iyalimazi iyasapasa yeah senghleli namayakayaka itikataka sabadlala sizinyakanyaka aye yebasuso kufika inkalakatha iyarabasi iyalimazi iyasapasa
yeah Hamba Post abopuri bakubone Hamba Post abopuri bakubona abokapsa bakuqoma abochizi bakudonsa abontwana bakupompa abocheri bakujorge Hamba Post abopuri bakubone Hamba Post abopuri bakubona abokapsa bakuqoma abochizi bakudonsa abontwana bakupompa abocheri bakujorge
engithufikile undlabini noma yini emapatini entisegazini yithi ngamahiti shubile kushukusha kumelithi sivele sidala wishi size 9 sike sithi bethutachi iwishi stampede wishi stampede
Labezwa bayakhala bayagcwala isiphithiphithi asambe sobadodla Gqesh man ngithi vithi
engithufikile undlabini noma yini emapatini entisegazini yithi ngamahiti shubile kushukusha kumelithi sivele sidala wishi size 9 sike sithi bethutachi iwishi stampede wishi stampede
Labezwa bayakhala bayagcwala isiphithiphithi asambe sobadodla Gqesh man ngithi vithi ungasabi maningi lama track basibonele mabadinga amavesi kuzokhala ukudla umasodani sibhukubuku siphande ibukubuku bazoyikhipha le cash sikhamba amabhodlela ngiphethe ikhipha ne dash bayazi konakele makufika aboGqesh kungena amadlantara amaji abosesha ama-track bawafake ebhokisini kimi hash evumani bo
siyavuma
vumani bo
siyavuma
hayi ngithi vumani bo
siyavuma
evumani bo
siyavuma
emakufika aboGqesh bayaduma emabaklini mabafresh bayadzuma bathi bendawo abozuma
Bush. Tintatashi type smart, something like Zekete, did you get? Sugele Tien, Krimeke King, Sabi Gachi. That's it.
Essentially no yakataka sabadlala sinzinyakanyaka yebasusofu ikalakazi iyarabasi yalimazi yasapasi ya sekuhleli namayakayaka ikataka sabadlala sinzinyakanyaka aye yebasusofu ikalakazi iyarabasi yalimazi yasapasi
Yeah, Hamba Post abopuri bakbone Hamba Post abopuri bakbona bukapsa bakqoma bochezi bakdonsa bontwana bakpompa bocheri bakjoje Hamba Post abopuri bakbone Hamba Post abopuri bakbona bukapsa bakqoma bochezi bakdonsa bontwana bakpompa bocheri bakjoje
engithi ufikile undlavini noma yini emapatini entisegazini yithi ngamahiti kushubile kushushi kubelithi sivele sidala ubishi size 9 sike sithi bethu utachi iwishi stampede wishi stampede
Yabezwa bayakhala bayagcwala isiphithiphithi asambe sebadodla Gqesh man retivity
engithi ufikile undlavini noma yini emapatini entisegazini yithi ngamahiti kushubile kushushi kubelithi sivele sidala ubishi size 9 sike sithi bethu utachi iwishi stampede wishi stampede
Bezwa bayakhala bayagcwala isiphithiphithi asambe sebadodla Gqesh man retivity Ngathi ungasabi boy maningi lama-track basibonele mabadinga amavesi kuzokhala ukudla umasogandi siphukupuku sipandibukubuku bazoyikhipha le cash sikhamba amabhodlela ngiphethe iklipha ne-dash bayazi konakele makufika koGqesh ungena amadlantara amajiya bosesha ama-track bangafaka ibhokisini give me hash
Allí.